Hey there, how's it going? My name is Jacob Nollette. I'm the creator of Bounce, and I just wrote it here tonight, and I wanted to show it to you. Bounce is a utility for working with LLMs, and actually, the idea is to provide a bit of a platform to work with RAG in the command line. So I'm just going to get into it. With like Chat GPTs and even with like Open Web UI, it'll keep your thread as long as you want it. It'll produce the reg and extend the reg for as long as the thread is open. But that's not really possible if you use a llama in the command line. So I made bounce, and the bounce can be used a lot of ways. Right now, bounce is in my path. If you use the command line, you should be able to do that. It's not long. It's like 15 or 20 lines of bash. So it's not bad, but so you can use bounce with standard in or on the right side of the as an input. And you can say something like, "What is the capital of Thailand?" Let's make that into a question. The capital of Thailand is Bangkok. So then, if you want to keep that thread going, instead of, you know, asking the question again, you can just say, what is the population? And it knows that your previous question was Bangkok because it is stored in temp bounce. Temp bounce has a whole thread. So the other cool thing that you can do is pipe into it. So you can say, you know, what colors is the country's flag? There we go. So then you might be wondering, this is essentially there's one. This is a pretty limited app. It, it's uh, it's one. It's all stored in temp bounce. Um, so really only one instance of bounce can operate per machine, but it would work pretty well with containerized workflows if you have if you're doing that. There's another tool that is shipped with this called Squash, and that just resets it. But what the cool thing about Squash is it actually here I'll clear this and then we'll run Squash. Squash actually echoes the existing thread to the terminal. So if you're on a Mac or a Linux machine and you want to pipe this into your paste bin, for archiving, it's really easy to do that. So, all right, that is Bounce and Squash. Hope you like it.